Omron are a Japanese-based electronics company who, apart from making electronic products, also design and manufacture healthcare devices which can be used at home. Importantly, Omron will push through 50 years of manufacturing home blood pressure monitors later this year. Back in 1973, Omron designed, created and manufactured the world's first home blood pressure monitor in Japan. While many things have changed since 1973, Omron's dedication to product innovation and manufacturing excellence has never wavered. Omron remained the largest global manufacturer of home-based blood pressure monitors, selling over 300 million of these monitors worldwide. In Australia, Omron command around 90% of the home blood pressure monitor market. It's an even higher proportion in New Zealand. In 2007, Omron teamed with the Servier Foundation and the Australian High Blood Pressure Research Council to create the world's first Better Blood Pressure Management Initiative, which provided over 20,000 Omron medical-grade blood pressure monitors to practicing doctors around the country. These devices are still used in medical practices across the country today. Chances are that when you last visited your doctor and had your blood pressure checked, it was with an Omron medical-grade blood pressure monitor. Using an Omron device for blood pressure measurement within a medical practice has now become the gold standard and places Australia as the global leader in ongoing blood pressure management. Importantly, the same technology and accuracy that is used in a doctor's surgery to measure blood pressure can also be used at home. So the monitoring of your blood pressure can be done easily and conveniently, whether you're at home or away. Just remember that with using an Omron blood pressure monitor, we've got you covered.